Well, hello random YouTube people. Are you selling your vehicle? You're not going to want to forget to do this one thing before you do. Stay tuned.
Subscribe.
If you are going to sell your vehicle that has a home link, like this 2013 Hyundai Sonata,
Or any vehicle that has a built-in programmable garage door opener,
be sure to first clear your garage door memory. To do that, you're going to hold the 1 car and the 3 car buttons at the same time for about 10 seconds until the light starts flashing. There it goes. And that should have cleared the memory. Now, to test that this is indeed not working anymore, I'm going to go ahead and click this button, which was going to open up the 3rd car garage. And it's not doing anything. Good. And then this was for the 2 car garage. It's also not doing anything anymore. So remember to do that before you sell your vehicle.
and why, you might ask? Well, if it's not obvious, I'll point it out for you. Your vehicle, when you sell it, you're going to have a bill of sale, and it might have your home address on it. You're also going to have a title for the vehicle, if you have title in hand, that also might have your home address on it. The buyer of the car could see your home address and just drive by and open up your garage door if you haven't previously cleared out the garage door memory out of your car. So please, before you sell your vehicle, remember to do this so you don't regret it. And if this video has helped you out, help me out. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, comment, and most importantly of all,
Subscribe.
Subscribe.